Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Callie, and today, if you didn't know, I am in the middle of a 6-month mini braid challenge, and I decided that I need a break and I want to change up my look, so I'm going to be installing my wig. So I decided to do a wig because I can stay true to my 6-month challenge, but also change up my look because it can get a little boring sometimes with my mini braids and kind of like finding different styles. But this was a good idea just to kind of satisfy my craving to look a little bit different. I've had this wig for about a couple years, but I just wanted to wash it and kind of refresh it and get it prepped. So here I'm just kind of flat ironing it, and look at this hair. It's so good. But I'm also letting you guys know everything I'm using, so it'll be on the screen so you have no problem knowing what I'm using. But the hair is so good. It's so shiny and bouncy. Yes. And here are my mini braids. I just put them in a braid in the back, super low, and then I just kind of pinned it up to the side. I just tucked the braid right in between my other braids and just kind of made it work. You can add bobby pins if you'd like. This is what it looks like. And then after that, I'm just going to put the little cap on top of my head. Now I'm just going to go in with some bed head. This stuff has a crazy good hold. So if you haven't tried this, I would definitely recommend give it a try. You can start with the small can that I have, the little travel size. But it seems to work the best. I'm not really a professional, but it works. It literally works. And then I'm going in with the blow dryer to kind of speed up the process and dry all of that hairspray around my edges. All right, for some extra security, we're gonna put on some Got to Be Ultra Glued right around the edges, about the same place where I put the spray. And basically after I put on anything, I'm going to try to blow dry it to kind of speed up the process. And I'm just going to go in with a little bit more behind the ear just to kind of make sure it stays down. But guys, this is not necessarily a tutorial. This is more so just showing you how I do it. But you're more than welcome to follow the steps if you like the results. And once that part is dried, I'm going to go in with the scissors. I just kind of wanted to start in the middle and then kind of work my way on the sides. We're going to start here. You're going to cut all the way to the glue line or wherever it's sealed down at. And you're just going to cut it as close as you can. Careful, don't cut yourself. I'm just going to cut a little hole by the ear and then just kind of keep it going all the way down. Yep, and careful not to cut your hair here. Yep, and then just gonna snip that right off the back. Now we're just gonna repeat it on the other side, cut that hole and clip it. Then you're gonna carefully cut it all the way up to the middle, as close as you can to that glue. But if it's not perfect, it's okay. So I'm gonna go back in with some more spray just to kind of lay everything back down. Of course, with the blow dryer, both sides, just to speed up the process. And I want to try to get this as flat as possible. And it's looking good. Checking myself out. Then I just went in and cut some extra little pieces that were still kind of hanging off that I did not like. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 334 Warm Sun. Use the color that you have. This is a foundation, but I don't know what other people use. I just use what I have and what I thought would work. So I'm also doing like this hair is a middle part, so I just put a little bit in the middle as well. Just kind of went in until I thought it was good. This is how the back is looking. The flap is just there protecting my hair. It's perfect. Nobody's gonna see it, so it don't have to be super perfect back there. This is the wig. This is what it looks like on the inside. And the hair is glossy and it looks so good. Then I'm just dabbing a little bit more makeup and I'm gonna run that on the inside of the wig. I don't know if this is how everybody does it, but that's just what I thought to do. Hopefully this is right. Look at my face. Unsure, but hopefully it turns out good. That's what I got. Then I just blow dried it again really quick before I put it on. And boom. So you want to line it up as best you can, and then I just flipped it back. Okay, I'm going in with the Got To Be glue again. This time I'm just gonna get a little bit of dab, and then I'm gonna put it right along the front of my cap. Yep, slick it down. I like to kind of push it forward so that little cap will kind of lay down smoothly. And I'm gonna blow dry it. I'm going back in with some bed head right in the middle. I'm gonna start in the center. And when I'm ready, I'm gonna lay it down. I'm gonna do the middle first. I just like to do the middle just because I think it's better. So once I got that part dried, you can see the sides are still up. And I'm gonna spray some more bed head just a line around the front. And this stuff dries kind of fast, so I was pulling it down, trying to make sure it's tight enough. Gonna press it down. Look at me, I'm so excited. Then of course I'm just gonna blow dry it some extra just to make sure it stays. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It looks so good. Time for the other side. More bed head. I'm gonna spritz it again and give it a good pull. And I'm going back in with the blow dryer just to make sure it's all secure. And then I'm gonna pull the hair back and kind of clip it. Here I'm just kind of brushing the combing the baby hairs back just so I can get to that front. And then I am gonna clip some of the little excess cap that's kind of sticking out, you can tell. Now I'm gonna go in with the wet line just so I can do the edges really quick. I definitely am gonna speed through this. Just kind of find what works for you. They don't have to be perfect, but I don't really care for like too much edges, like really big. So this is a little cute bob, so the sides are gonna be covered anyway. But now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color 40 Caramel, and then just kind of dab it on my part just to give it a little bit more of a natural look. And just got my little sponge, gonna like dab it and give it that little nice natural look. Then I'm gonna comb it down on the sides just to see what we're working with. And the hair is amazing. 10 out of 10. I'm loving it. But here is the back view. So cute and so shiny. This hair is amazing. And voila, put on some cute makeup to show you my look, how it turned out. It came out so good. I'm gonna give y'all a little look. Now I did not have a hot comb to kind of like flatten out the top. That's the only thing I didn't really like, but to get that top super flat. But other than that, it came out super good. And here's me feeling myself because it's a vibe. So cute. I hope you guys really like this look. It is giving, honey. So cute, so cute. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.